Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. In this presentation, we will discuss about triangle. Before it, let me introduce ourselves. I am Dita Puspita Handayani.
I am Nanda Putri Patricia.
I am Ihsan Aji Nugroho.
I am Arif Nurrahman.
And I'm Annisa Syifani Nandhika Putri.
Okay, next slide.
Definition of triangle. Next. Triangle is the name of a shape made of three sides in the form of straight lines and triangles. Types of triangles. 1. Properties of right triangle. Right triangle properties. 1. Has one right angle and two acute angles. 2. Three elevation lines intersect at right angle points. 3. The right side is the height of the triangle. 4. The hypotenuse is the long side opposite the right angle. 2. The nature of the isosceles triangle. Properties of an isosceles triangle. 1. Has two sides that are the same length. 2. Has two equal angles. 3. Form from two congruent right triangles. 4. The height of the angle divides the side of the base into two equal lengths as well as the axis of symmetry. 3. Properties of an equilateral triangle. The properties of an equilateral triangle. 1. The sides are the same length. 2. The angles are the same size. 3. The four special lines of the triangles coincide and divide the angle into two equal parts. 4. The special lines of an equilateral triangle are three axes of symmetry. 4. Arbitrary triangle. The properties of any triangle are 1. Consists of three unequal sides. 2. Has only one rotational symmetry. 3. Each corner has a different size. 4. Has no axis of symmetry. 5. Triangle add up to 100 188 degree.
Types of triangle. Next. Types of triangle based on sides. Next. 1. Scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has all sides lying of different measures. No side will be equal in length to any of the other sides in such triangle. In a scalene triangle, all the interior angles are also different. Next. 2. Isosceles triangle. In a isosceles triangle, in length two of the three sides are equal. So the angle opposite the equal side are equal to each other. In other words, in isosceles triangle has two equal sides and two equal angles. Next. 3. Equilateral triangle. In a equilateral triangle, all the length of the side are equal. In such a case, each of the interior angle will have measure of 60 degrees. Since the angle of an equilateral triangle are same, it is also known as an equiangular triangle. Next. Types of triangle based on angles. 1. Acute triangle. An acute triangle is a triangle whose all their interior angles are acute. In other words, if all interior angles are less than 90 degrees, then it is an acute angle triangle. 2. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangles are two in which one of the three interior angles has a measure greater than 90 degrees. In other words, if one of the angle in a triangle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is called an obtuse angle triangle. 3. Right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle in which the angle is 90 degrees. In a right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle or 90 degree angle will be longest side and is called the hypotenuse. You may come across triangle type with combined name like right isosceles triangle and SAH, but this only implies that the triangle to equal side with one of the interior angles being 90 degrees.
Special lines in triangle. First, angle bisector. Angle bisector is a line or ray that divides an angle into two congruent angles. Next. Second, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is a line segment that intersects the line segment between those 2 points in the middle at an angle of 90 degrees. Median is a line through one of the vertex of the triangle to the middle of the opposite side of this vertex. Altitude is a perpendicular that is drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Mid-parallel is a line that connects the middle of one side with the middle of another side in a triangle.
The origin of the triangle formula. Area formula for triangle. The formula for the area of the triangle is the product of the base and the height, and then divided by 2, because the triangular shape comes from a square or rectangle cut diagonally. P equal A as length as base, L equal T as width as height. So it get concluded L equal half A T. The formula for the perimeter of a triangle. To calculate the perimeter of a triangle, we must know the length of the 3 sides of the triangle, because the perimeter of triangle is the sum of the length of the 3 sides. If the perimeter of the triangle is K and the sides are A, B, C, then the perimeter of the triangle is K equals A plus B plus C.
Problems example. Question 1. If the height of a triangle is 7 cm and its length is equal to 10 cm, then find its area. We know that the height is 7 cm and base is 10 cm. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 times h times b. 1 by 2 times 7 times 10, and we get 35 centimeters squared.
Okay, thank you for your listening. May all those we have said be beneficial for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.